Let me also rope in Major Muhammad Ali Shah on the broadcast with me. I cannot but remember a few years ago a film that Veer Das himself had acted in. Masti Zadeh. It was crass comedy, making a lot of fun of women, objectifying them to the hilt. So if this is something that irks Veer Das so much, why does he bring about a parallel discourse in the Kennedy Center of the Performing Arts for an audience, a target audience which he feels would be better able to appreciate, keeping in mind this is the kind of narrative against India that plays out across the world, including in America, versus when living in India, play by the book, do as the Romans do. And because that crass comedy, perhaps objectification of women is what seems to be working, or at least used to work on the box office, so he does not seem to have any qualms or any moral apprehensions towards picking up that role.
Absolutely, Megha. I am glad you brought out the film that Veer Das himself acted in, Masti Zadeh. This shows his hypocritical nature and the very fact, the very point that these people are just opportunists. They must understand. We have a very renowned comedian of the stand-up comedian of India, Sunil Pal, sitting over here, and I totally agree with his views. I know him personally, and he said the right thing. I know Veer Das also personally, but you know what Veer Das said? I totally disagree. You cannot go to a foreign country and let down your country by talking ill of your country and making a joke. The sentiments of the people of the country are not a joke. These people must understand that for them to attain, to get the viewership, to get TRPs, to get popularity, to get famous. I mean, how more famous do they want to get? They are pure opportunists, Megha. And you know, I can tell you one thing. Today, whoever he's talking about two Indias, where's the chivalry? I mean, we are from the army. You've known me personally from 2006 when I was with the Assam Rifles. From that time in the army, you mean to say all Indians are rapists? If you see statistically, if you see a data, right, absolutely, man. If you see a data, more sex crimes happen in America than in India, by the way. That is the statistics, the data that I've taken off. Now, when Veer Das, a comedian of his stature, goes outside the country and bashes India just for the sake of popularity, क्योंकि तालियां बजेंगी भाई, लोग appreciate करेंगे, so people will whistle and hoot and they'll make a big noise about him. Ultimately, it is his own ulterior motives. Let me tell you, these people have no ethics, no morals. They sell their soul at the drop of a hat, and I think it has to be condemned. And as the famous saying goes, never wash dirty linen in public. Whatever is happening, if you have a problem, come forward. Come here and protest. Protest in a democratic way, in a peaceful way, in a legitimate way, and your protest would be heard. But you cannot go outside your country.
So, got it. So Rashmi, join in this discussion.
When people with a great social influence misuse their influence for various reasons, 2 minutes of fame, for money, and he's a man of double standards, like Major Muhammad Ali Shah mentioned.
I will have to thank all my panelists who have spoken about this subject at length and given us more clarification, their views, their analysis.